If freedom had a form, it couldn't have been more poignant than the faces of these young boys. They are going away from the slog and struggle of Zari factories of Mumbai, going back home to love and hope. Not so long ago, these children were holed up in the sweatshops of Mumbai. Early this year, the police cracked down on the Zari factories and freed thousands of them. The city of dreams woke up to the grim reality of child labor.
Education is our mandate, and but we've used education as a tool for giving rights to the child. Not only right to education, but actually right to his childhood and right to his development.
For the poor of India, childhood means walking the precipice. A weak school system pushes many children out of the learning net, and poverty drives them away from their families to make a living in a strange, manipulative world. Pratham's tryst with the working child began in the dingy Zari factories of Mumbai. Thousands of children from Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Orissa worked here 12 to 16 hours a day, earning little and learning that life was a bed of pins and needles.
ये सारे सिचुएशन में बच्चे का काफ़ी शोषण हो जाता है, जैसे कि मालिक बच्चों के ऊपर सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ करते हैं, बच्चों को मारना, पीटना, ठीक तरीके से खाना नहीं देना, कपड़े नहीं देना, बच्चे अगर बीमार पड़ जाएगा तो उनको हॉस्पिटल में नहीं भेजना। ये सारे प्रकार हमने फाइंड आउट किए और पता चला कि काफ़ी बच्चे यहाँ से ऊब गए हैं और अब वो जाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद मालिक उनको गाँव में नहीं भेजते हैं।
The first step then was to win over the factory owners, persuade them that child labor was illegal and education was the fundamental right of a child.
किसे किसे पढ़ाई अच्छी लगती है, जरा हाथ उठाओ। आपको, रिने, इन्हें भी, और रिजवान को भी। अच्छा, लेकिन तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं लगता पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे तो आगे कुछ नहीं कर सकते? हाँ, बिना पढ़ाई के कुछ हो सकता है क्या?
And then for a few hours every day, the factory became a little classroom where children would string words and hold pencils. The neighborhood drop-in centers became spaces where they could once again take a shot at life.
It is not about Pratham, and this is not a success of one organization. I think it is an idea whose time has come, and if the idea is powerful, I think it doesn't wait.
Personal belief and political will together led to the raids. More importantly, they geared up an alliance that will work for a child labor-free society.
If we refer to the rescue mission that was there in the child labor in the Zari industry as well as in the gold making industry, I think it was a very major landmark. It was a very major landmark in terms of what we call a success experience which can be replicated anywhere in the country, where you have what we call the partnership, the NGO, government, legal system partnership, where everybody worked in a very planned fashion.
हमारी उम्मीद है कि ये टास्क फोर्स जो भी हमारे सहयोगी है उनके मदद से हम 14 नवंबर तक के पूरे मुंबई शहर को और महाराष्ट्र को हम बाल कामगार मुक्त करेंगे.
Because what is happening in Bombay, other places like Surat, where there is diamond industry or power loom, or in Delhi, or even in Rajasthan, at the government level, they've discussed this and said, okay, what has happened in Bombay can also happen here.
The children have returned to their home and their poverty. If there were livelihoods for the families and learning for the children, they will never have to go back. They will have the power to drive their destiny.
अभी जो लौटे हुए बच्चे हैं, उनका जब हम लोगों ने ट्रैकिंग का प्रोग्राम शुरू किया है बिहार एंड पर, तो इस ट्रैकिंग और फॉलोअप के चक्कर के चलते जब हम लोग गांव-गांव में पहुंचे हैं, तो हमें एक बात समझ में आई है कि एजुकेशन अकेले में कुछ ज़्यादा असरदार नहीं हो पाएगा. उसके साथ साथ इन बच्चों को कुछ एक स्किल ट्रेनिंग देना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, जिसके ऊपर अभी हम लोग जोर दे रहे हैं. और इसके लिए हम लोग मदद ले रहे हैं कि बिहार और महाराष्ट्र दोनों तरफ की जो सरकारें हैं और दोनों तरफ जो अलग अलग बच्चों के साथ में काम करने वाले एनजीओज हैं, उनको हम लोगों ने इकट्ठा किया है.
If children have to be sustained, then some of them have to be mainstreamed into their family, but some of them have to be in the residential care. And we have started residential care in Sitamarhi. We are about to start one in Kishanganj. The children have come from a very traumatic environment, exploited, beaten, earning, and now they are coming into a residential care where they can play, they can have recreation, they can be educated, they are having freedom.
Small steps on the road to freedom. It takes but a little nurturing to transform them into a giant leap. We at Pratham believe in the power of this idea.